Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I will show you how you can boot the device into safe mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list once more by swiping down. There we go. And then click right here on this power button. From here you want to hold power off. As you can see, it changes into safe mode, so we're going to tap on it once more, and it will now initiate a reboot into safe mode. Now I'm going to just mention this right now, that safe mode is not necessarily used to run your device permanently in it, because most of the applications that are on this device will be just kind of disabled. Now only the pre-installed applications will function, but not even all of them. So like I mentioned, this mode is strictly designed for troubleshooting primarily. Now as you can see, once the device boots up, it gives you this watermarking right here, safe mode. So if we unlock the device, you can see widgets don't work. We have our internet browser from Samsung that isn't working, and Netflix, along with probably a couple additional apps that, there we go, Outlook and Office, that won't work. Now these are all the applications that come installed with the device straight from the get-go, and even they don't work. Now everything that you have installed yourself on your own merit, none of these apps will function whatsoever. So even if you try to launch them in safe mode, it will give you this pop-up: downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Now ironically, these are not downloaded apps like browser, so yeah. Now anyway, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to normal one so you can use your apps normally, get back to your power menu right here and select restart. Once the device reboots, it will go back to normal mode. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.